When you are in the kitchen, a great knife is like a great partner. You want it to be special, unique. Unlike other knives handle that made of plastic or wood, we found a more reliable, more natural material, smooth surface, and beautiful texture. The Marble. Introducing the Cookidea's Marble Series. Focusing on innovation and quality, we have created our knives to stand apart from other knives on the market. The Marble's rich black color and white veining pattern offer a modern look to your knives. Imagine you are holding a piece of marble on your hand. This incredible touch of natural stone gives you that ice-smooth feeling. Heavy weight on the handle helps effortless cutting. For the knife blade, we have selected high-alloy German steel for our blade and angling the blade tip at 25 degrees, optimizing the durability and the sharpness. By selling directly online, we're able to offer these luxury knives at an honest prices, passing the saving back to you. At Cookidea, we believe this Marble Series knife can truly offer an unforgettable cooking experience. We are so excited to launch in Kickstarter today, and with your help together, we are able to deliver this great experience to more people like you.